Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to get out of Insider Preview Windows 11. To start, in the search box, enter gpedit.msc, open the utility. Now, in Local Computer Policy, click on Administrative Templates. Then, Deploy Windows Components. Finally, access the option, Data Collection and Preview Builds. Here, double-click the policy called Toggle User Control over Insider Builds. In this window, check the Disabled option. Click on Apply and OK. To apply this change, you must restart your system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.